Hello, darlings. Hello, daar. This is Virek. This is Tani Cook's sister. And we are in my dining room. You know, I've been thinking of all the, long time ago in what they call apartheid. Dis apartheid, maar ons sê mos nou apartheid. Ja, ons het baie English geword. There's nothing new to me, I'm a colored lady. And we're used to being verkeermannetjies. So I want to talk about being a verkeermannetjie. You know, we talk about the hardships that we encountered back in apartheid. That's not apartheid, in case you just tuned in. As a colored people, we didn't have a struggle. Coloreds didn't struggle. Hulle lieg vir julle. The only struggle I had was carrying my groceries from Checkers to the car. That was the only struggle. When I got home, the girl had to struggle. Seriously. So there was no struggle. I feel for you. I do. Ek het ook 'n hart. Ek het ook 'n bediende. Ek het ook 'n tuinier en ek voel vir julle. Regtig. We did kind of have a rough time, but not really. We feel bad. We feel guilty. Really we do. Because ons het gehad en julle het nie. And lots of people didn't have, and we got away with skimming by. Yes, we lost things. We lost homes, but shame, man, some people never had homes. And now we want to play the martyr. Ek bedoel regtig. So that is why I was now decided about this political party, die KVV, die Koekiesvryheid Front. So I'm going to be starting it very shortly, and I want you guys to vote, because I have seen the injustice of various people in South Africa and what they have gone through. And it's by time that the coloreds and the whites and the blacks stood together. I'm not going to talk about the Japanese because they actually was not illegal immigrants. No? Can I say that on camera? Oh no, I can't. Actually, no, they're black and I forgot. Zuma said that China says black, yeah. China dark, you can vertel. Anyway, yeah, I suppose they like the Zamzoris now. Pakistanis was also black. They're not colored like the Muslims. Shame, arme slumsies. Hulle moet maar net hulle se musiekjies verkoop soos al van al die jare, ja, by die bazaars, ja. Shame. Everybody's going forward in life, and let's not get left behind. Spring oor die slaggat, anders is jy 'n dom gat. Okay, doodle!